My name is Nikki Payne, and I work for Southeastern Wisconsin Regional Planning Commission. In that capacity, I serve as a liaison between grassroots organizations across the 7 counties of Southeast Wisconsin, dealing with the infrastructures of transportation, land use, and the environment. My bigger commitment is actually to my community, with organizations like Sisters Network that help women who have gone through breast cancer. I also am the District 1 rep for the American Cancer Society Cancer Action Network, which is the lobbying side. So we're the ones who go out and talk to our elected officials and try to get them to change laws and give more funding so that we can eradicate cancer. COVID-19 was definitely an experience. I got to learn all of the challenges that were happening for people with finding food, finding water, having housing. Like our Hmong Friendship Association, they were having 400 families 3 times a week come in for food. Listening to our folks that were in Walworth County who definitely were not going to the hospital, and then the challenges of food that was supposed to be able to be given to them was coming from churches, and they were not comfortable going to churches, some of the people that were there. There were people who were very kind. They would stop and find out someone has COVID and they would drop off food to their homes, or there were donations that were made. But I'll say the most heartwarming part for me, everyone has 1 degree of separation when it comes to cancer. For me, I've had 14 family members that have either died from cancer or survivors. There's only 1 survivor at this point right now, or should I say thriver. Continuing to do the fight during that time was so important. We actually still lobbied with our national senators and representatives. We set up Zoom meetings. We continued to push, and all of those asks that we were asking were approved. So that was more money for research with NIH. There was a loophole that we found as far as Medicare, where if someone went in and had a procedure done where they were doing their colonoscopy, if there were polyps found, our senior citizens who are on Medicare ended up having to pay for that surgery to happen. That was one of the things that we were fighting for, and we got approved even during COVID. Another thing that I'm excited about the work that we're doing here in Southeast Wisconsin, specifically in Kenosha, Racine, and Milwaukee, has been with the Sisters Network. We've done walks, we have done seminars, but most recently we're about to do our first joint fashion show for breast cancer survivors. And I am so happy to say that we have a partner with Yolanda Coleman with Plush Clothing, which is where I'm sitting right now. So coming out of the pandemic, we're not completely there. Make sure that you have gotten your vaccinations and your boosters, because we want to make sure that we are taking care of our community. The other thing that I would say is making sure that you stay healthy. Now that we actually have the opportunity to get out, exercise, go for a walk. We were locked in our houses for so long. Make sure that you go out and see the scenery and start enjoying life again.